Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a pretty exciting car. I bet you've never seen another one. I never have. Factory 5 builds a Shelby Daytona. They only made 39 roadsters, or what they call a Spyder, and this is number 4 of 39 built. It's an exhilarating car. 347 stroker, 5-speed, posi, 4-wheel disc brakes. This thing handles and performs like a race car. It makes some rumble. You got the wind blowing through your hair. It's a blast. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you find the prices on all the collector cars we have for sale. Right now we have about 200. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, this one's topless. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't that a cool looking car? The original Shelby Daytona, they made 6 or 7 of them. They're unobtainable. They're millions and millions of dollars. Factory 5, who's known for making very high-end performance reproduction cars. They make the Cobras. They make the Daytonas. They built 39 of these in 2005. This is number 4. It has about 3,600 miles on it since it's been built. And these cars mean serious business. It's not some Volkswagen kit car. It's a high-performance chassis, big round tubular frame. Supposedly it's just like the real car, but better, more technology, but a very substantial frame under the car. In front, it's independent suspension with coil-over adjustable shocks. In back, it has a 3-link system with the same coil-over adjustable shocks. It has a power rack and pinion steering system. 4-wheel disc brakes. They're Wheelwood big brake kit, 4-piston calipers in front. They're Mustang Cobra calipers in back. It's got a sump fuel tank with all premium fuel lines, fittings, fuel pump. The floors are laser cut aluminum floors for keeping it lightweight. But again, the structure is there. These things handle, they corner, they stop. Bottom of the motor has an 8-quart capacity oil pan. It's got a 5-speed Tremec transmission. It's got a Ford 8.8 rear end in the back with posi gears, hardened 28 spline axles. So again, it's got it going on. The body is real nice. It was painted by a hot rod shop that's, I guess, really well known in California. I'll put their name on our website. But I was told by the guy I bought it from, it was a big deal that they painted it. Body and paint is actually really, really good on the car. It's straight. I mean, it's all fiberglass, so it's a lightweight car. So it has the Daytona dovetail with the 4 Lucas tail lights. This one does have a trunk, has a pop-up gas cap here. You can see some big, meaty, wide tires. These are new. The guy just put these on. They're 17-inch Enkei wheels with performance tires. They're like a street strip tire in the back. These pipes are real. It's got dual side exhaust on each side. It has the bullet style mirror. There's somewhere over here, I think I seen a hairline crack right here, just one straight hairline crack. And then there's like a black piece of clear or piece of tape going across here, very neatly installed, barely noticeable. This is the air extractor. The air goes in the front through the nose, through the radiator, and that's where it comes out. It has some new projector beam headlights. There's like 4 projector beams. Got turn signals here, fog lamps down below, Factory 5 emblem in the middle. Windshield's real nice and clear. So there's a chrome lever on each side. Got Cobra emblems. There is no top, so you just reach in and open the doors. It's a roadster. No, the motor. It's a 347 stroked and bored 5-liter motor. It's got a high revving cam. It's got trick flow aluminum heads, Edelbrock high-rise intake, a brand new chrome-plated dual-feed Holley carb, MSD ignition system. Alternator looks new, serpentine belt in front, does have power steering, has jet hot coated headers, 2 pipes into one. The battery's mounted up front here. It has horns, big electric fan, and aluminum radiator. It has stainless steel extra long radiator hoses. The interior, these are racing seats. I fit in there no problem. They're not all comfy and cushy. They're actual racing seats. They got racing belts, so they'll do their job. They'll hold you in place and they'll help protect you. It does have a pretty cool steering wheel, nice cushioned leather wrapped steering wheel. The buttons in the middle control the headlights and turn signals. The dash is upholstered nicely and has a full set of matching Pro Comp gauges. It has a shift light in the middle. It's got some nice billet pedals, nice leather straps, keep the door from opening too far. You open up the flap here and there's a little compartment with a little cup holder in each side. Carpets are real nice, got a real cool shifter. It's a short throw shifter with a nice aluminum billet handle you can grab onto. The firewall has heat insulation on there to keep some of the heat from getting in the car. You got cool suspension up front. It has an external cooler for the power steering. It has an emergency brake lever. So it's got just a few toggle switches, your fuel pump, your electric fan, and it's got an on-off key with the ignition switch and a push-button start. It does have a trunk. It's not real big, but it's got a trunk. It's carpeted underneath. It's got the sound deadener. And it does have an assembly manual for the Spyder GT. And it has a stick to hold the trunk open. So I guess it's that time we've been waiting for. Let's fire it up. And we got power. I told you it's exhilarating. That's freaking awesome. I just want to take off right now and not come back. This is a cool car to go drive. And again, it handles corners, stops, steers. It does it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They'll help you the best they can. They can also help with financing and delivery. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.